Hello dear students, everyone, good evening, welcome to Sri Chaitanya. Hope you are all students. How are you all? Yeah, right dear students. So under this bridge classes part, today we are going to deal with a special function. So we are going to deal with, wonderful basics funda, the bridge classes which are really required for understanding JEE classes at Sri Chaitanya. Right dear students, everybody, hi, how are you, right? So you see dear students, be positive, JEE 2027 aspirants, be positive everyone, be positive, you can do this. It's a very common thing which we listen every time in our daily life. So all our elders, parents will be saying be positive, yes. So in math also there is a function which talks like always be positive. Shall I talk about this? Shall we discuss about that function today dear students? You see, be non-negative. There is a function in math which says always be non-negative. It is always non-negative. Can anyone guess what is that function is? Yes, a function, there is a special function in math, so which always is be non-negative. Rather be positive, I say be non-negative. Okay, what is that function? Can anyone say? It is math. I am going to teach you math dear students. Yeah, before that let me ask a question, all of you please try to answer. You see, which one is greater, x or minus x? X or minus x? Let me see your answer dear students. All of you try to give the answer. Which is greater, x or minus x? X or minus x? Yes, I see your chart. Wonderful, it's superb, right. So most of the students texted x, that is fine, but dear student, let me ask a question. What if x value is say minus 3? You just take x value minus 3, x becomes minus 3, minus x becomes 3. Am I correct? So now you tell me which is greater, x or minus x? So dear students, x is a variable. It is very common feeling that we feel like x is positive, minus x is negative. Since it is a variable, that feeling is not correct. That concept is not correct. So if minus is there negative, plus is there positive is not at all correct. Do remember, it depends on the value what we assign. If you take a number x is positive, you see this is positive, this is negative, so this is greater. If I take x is 0, both are same. If I take x is negative, this will be smaller, this will be greater. Got my point dear students? So in this particular point, I mean to say dear students, don't feel like minus x is negative, x is positive. It is all about the value what you assign. Am I correct dear students? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Have you learned this point dear students? Yeah, have you learned this point? So now you tell me, try to answer the same question. You tell me which one is greater, x or minus x? Which one is greater, x or minus x? Tell me please. We can't say. It depends on the value what we assign. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yeah, conceptual way of learning math I am going to deal you dear students. Yeah, so now you see there is a function, you know well, in the schooling you might have learnt about the thing. So modulus function or absolute value function which always says the output is a non-negative number. You know this value dear students. What can you say about modulus of 3? Come on, all of you answer. What is modulus of 3? Come on please, everyone. Modulus of 3, since 3 is positive, you know it, absolute value, it is 3. Modulus of minus 5, since it is negative, its absolute value is 5. Modulus of 0 is 0. Modulus of minus 1.3 is 1.3. Modulus of 2.6 is 2.6. Modulus of 100, of course minus 100 is 100. Modulus is such a function dear students, if the input number is 0 or positive, it gives as it is as the output. if the input is a negative number, make it positive by multiplying with -1 or write its additive inverse, dear students. Got my point? This is very familiar to you, it is known to you, am I correct? Okay, right, am I correct? Yeah, fine. Then next, dear students, now you see what this function says. So mod x is, dear students, you know this function, modulus function or absolute value function, we say mod x as, you see just now I told, if the input number is 0 or positive, write as it is. If the input number is negative, write its additive inverse. That is the meaning. Some students will always have this doubt here that, how will you get a negative number as output of a modulus? How many of you have this doubt? Say please, say. How many of you have this doubt? How can modulus of this be negative? Do remember here x is already negative, minus x is positive. Yes, Balaraju, yes, Balram Raju, yes. But dear students, I told you already, so feeling x as positive, minus x as negative is completely your second stage of hallucination. Even minus x can be positive, x can be negative, dear students. Here also the case, x is already negative, minus x is positive. Got my point, dear students? So what does a modulus function do? What is its definition? Try to understand. If the input is a positive number or 0, write as it is. Input is a negative number, write its additive inverse. That's what we have done, dear students, here. If the input is positive or 0, we wrote as it is. If it is a negative number, supply minus to this. Suppose x is -5, supply minus to this so that it becomes 5. That's all. So dear students, is this clear everyone, the definition? Mod x is an absolute function. This is a function which frequently appears in your problems. This is a funda concept. It won't appear as a topic in your regular chapters in 11th grade or intermediate, but you have to know it to understand the problems. Right everyone? Clear? Clear everyone? So if somebody says what is mod x, what is your answer, dear students? X if x is greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. Fine, chalo. Next, dear students, simple observations. Mod x is always, yes, I know Telugu well, dear students, I know Telugu well, don't worry, but I understand your Telugu, but I will be delivering in English here, right? So, right, dear students, mod x is always, yeah, dear students, can I say mod x is always positive? Am I correct or wrong? Mod x is always positive, correct or wrong? Mod x is always positive, correct or wrong? Yes, please respond. Please respond. Come on. Come on, please. Mod x is always positive, correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? Yes, wrong, yes, wrong, right, okay, correct. But dear students, I am wrong. Mod x is non-negative. It can be 0 also. Don't say mod x is positive. Mod x is non-negative. It can be 0 also when x is 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative, dear students. So please do remember, mod x is always, from today you have to say, if somebody says mod x is positive, you should say no bhaiya, mod x is non-negative. Okay, this is what my first slide is. Yeah, mod x is positive, so be positive, be non-negative. There is a difference. Here also mod x is always non-negative. And do remember, dear students, modulus of any real number is always non-negative. You will get either 0 or positive. Next, you see, can I say that modulus of x and modulus of minus x same? Yeah, correct? Yes or no? Mod x and modulus of minus x both are the same. So next, most important point, mod xy I can write like mod x into mod y. Simple points, simple, you can also verify through examples. And mod x by y, you can write mod x by mod y. Of course y shouldn't be 0. If y is 0, denominator becomes 0, it is meaningless. Okay. So dear students, finally there are 4 important observations related to modulus. Point number 1, modulus of any real number is always greater than or equal to 0. Mod x and modulus of minus x both are the same. Mod xy I can write mod x into mod y. Mod x by y I can write mod x by mod y. Clear, dear students? Okay. Yeah. Now, next, dear students, I am going to give a wonderful, very important skill I am going to teach you, which is going to be helpful for you for solving certain problems. Writing the following expressions piecewise in the sense case wise. Mod x minus 2 is given. I want to write it breaking out of modulus. So, dear students, listen to me carefully. Array, mod x minus 2 positive or negative? You say positive or negative. So, dear students, it depends on x. Simple, x minus 2 becomes 0 at x is equal to 2. Simple, you take the number line. If x value you take greater than or equal to 2, if x value you take greater than or equal to 2, x minus 2 value is positive. If x value is less than 2, this will be negative. So, dear students, my first step is x greater than or equal to 2. You just check. In this case, x minus 2 positive, so write as it is. Next, if x value is negative, x minus 2 value is negative, dear students. Modulus of a negative quantity means you have to apply minus to this, okay, so that it becomes positive, which is nothing but 2 minus x. How many of you got this point, dear students? Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? It's a very important skill which we use in most of the problems. Come on, everyone, respond. Got it? Mod x minus 2. Mod x minus 2, how to do, dear students, right? Yeah, so just break at x is equal to 2. If x greater than or equal to 2, you just write as it is because it becomes 2. And if x is less than 2, dear students, automatically this is negative, so you have to write 2 minus x. Clear? Minus of this 2 minus x. Please do remember, for your convenience, let me solve few more questions here. So write the second part here is, dear students, you try this. All of you please try this. Mod x plus 3 is given. Come on, all of you try. So where should I break this definition? So x plus 3 becomes 0 at what value, dear students? X plus 3 becomes 0 at what value? It becomes 0 at, come on, all of you chart. Give the response in the chart. Yes, minus 3. So case 1, x greater than or equal to minus 3. Case 2, x less than minus 3. Arey yaar, you take a number more than minus 3. You take a number more than minus 3. Say like minus 2, minus 1, 0. X plus 3 value becomes positive. So modulus of a positive quantity as it is, you have to write. You take a number less than minus 3. Say like minus 4, dear students. You put minus 4 in this, minus 4 plus 3, negative quantity. Modulus of a negative quantity means you have to minus off that you have to write. That's all. Clear, everyone? Clear, dear students? All of you got it? Got it? It is minus of x plus 3, it is not 3 minus x. Okay? Right, everyone? Right? Fine. Thank you. Now, dear students, now I think you can write this. Come on, please. Now you just tell me where should I break this. Come on, please. Where should I break this modulus function? I want to write it piecewise. All of you, please respond. Yes. Yeah. So where should I break 2x plus 5? Yes, exactly. You just see where 2x plus 5 becomes 0. X is minus 5 by 2. So you have to break it minus 5 by 2. So dear students, let me write, suppose x greater than or equal to minus 5 by 2, x less than minus 5 by 2. You choose a number greater than minus 5 by 2 and substitute in this. Say 0 is a number. If you put 0, you are getting positive. Modulus of a positive quantity is as it is. So you write 2x plus 5. Okay, and modulus less than minus 5 by 2, you can take minus 3, minus 6 plus 5, negative quantity you are going to get. If you are getting a negative quantity, what should I write? Modulus of a negative quantity, you have to apply minus to this. Clear everyone? Superb. I really appreciate you are responding very well, giving wonderful answers. Super, dear students. So I definitely, if you give the energy, I will be giving wonderful problems in the coming classes, right? All of you, come on, come on. Is this clear everyone? Is this clear? So far, how many of you have learnt at least one new point? At least one new point. Please say me, text. Yeah, very good, very good, very good, very good, superb. Thanks for the energy that you are giving, dear students. Now, the next question, you just see here one more is there. So, can you try this? Modulus of x minus 4. Similarly, you can do, let me write directly, dear students, x minus 4 becomes 0 at 4. So, case 1 is x greater than or equal to 4. So, x minus 4 becomes positive, so write as it is, and x less than 4, for any number less than 4, x minus 4 is a negative quantity, so minus of x minus 4, which becomes 4 minus x. So the thing what you have learnt is really a very, very useful point. Now dear students, combination of 2 or 3 functions, combination of 2 or 3 modulus, I think it is, I don't think it is difficult for you now, dear students, but still, shall we try? If you are okay, I will help you. Otherwise, we'll see this in the next question. What do you say, dear student? Now, shall we do? Are you okay to do this problem? Clear? Are you okay to do? Shall we do this? Yes, 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 very good, very good, very good, dear students. We shall try. So let me talk about this particular problem first. Here, dear students, x minus 2, x minus 5. This becomes 0 at 2, this becomes 0 at 5. Am I correct? Now, dear students, frankly speaking, there will be 3 cases. Take the number line. Smaller one is 2, greater one is 5. There are 3 intervals now, dear students. There are 3 intervals more than 5, between 2 and 5, less than 2. There are 3 cases, correct? 3 cases, dear student. There are 2 modulus. Its definition changes left of 2, right of 2. Its definition changes left of 5, right of 5. So, if you plot here, dear students, so I mean to say you have to break it 2 and 5. So I can say here more than 5, between 2 and 5, less than 5. Come on, dear students, let me write here mod x minus 2 plus mod x minus 5. Yeah, case 1, x greater than or equal to 5. Arey bhaiya, you tell me, if x is greater than or equal to 5, you see, you just take a number more than 5, both will be positive, x minus 2 positive, x minus 5 positive. So you just write x minus 2 plus x minus 5, so which becomes 2x minus 7. Correct? Correct? Yeah. Second one, suppose x is between 2 to 5. Let equality be there here and here. In this case, x is more than 2 but less than 5. More than 2 but less than 5. Array, if it is more than 2, it is still positive, x minus 2 positive, you see. So x minus 2, but less than 5, no, this is negative, which becomes 5 minus x. These two get cancelled, you will get 3. Okay. Now, if x is less than 2, dear students, if you take x less than 2, x minus 2 negative, like 1, 0, substitute, this is negative, so you will get 2 minus x plus 5 minus x, which is 7 minus 2x, right? So, dear students, if you are given combination, if you are given combination of 2 modulus, you have to break at 2 points. So you will get 3 intervals according to you have to write. Right, dear students? Clear everyone? Clear everyone, dear students? Fine. Similarly, second problem you try later. This becomes 0 at -1. This becomes 0 at 2 by 3. Take number line -1 smaller, 2 by 3 here. 3 cases you are going to get. Okay, dear students? Right, everyone? Clear? Right. Next, dear students. Similarly, this problem I am not going to deal here now. This is exclusively for your practice. You just try now. I think you can do this. This becomes 0 at 1, 2, 5. Mark here 1, 2, 5. How many intervals we will get, dear students? How many intervals do we get here? How many intervals do we get here? 1, 2, 5. More than 5. Between 2 and 5, between 1 to 2, less than 1. There will be 4 intervals. Very good, Srikar. Very good. So there will be 4 intervals. So you just follow the same pattern and try, dear students. So, dear students, I mean to say, similarly, these problems for practice, who can try higher order questions, you can try this. You just see where this becomes 0, rest of the cases you try. So, dear students, so far we have learnt one important skill. I have given you what is modulus. Clear? What is modulus? Mod x is x if x greater than or equal to 0 minus x if x less than 0. Point number 1. Number 2, how to simplify modulus. How to write modulus in piecewise case you have done. This writing piecewise a function in modulus is a very, very important skill which you require in many questions related to modulus equations, inequations and all. Right, chalo dear students. Some important properties related to modulus are. These are important observations. See, are you ready to learn, dear students? These 3. I will tell you the beauty of these, and with the help of these certain questions. Yeah, these are the 3 important observations. So, number 1, you just give for any 2 real numbers xy, mod x plus y less than or equal to mod x plus mod y. And mod x minus y, you just take mod x minus mod y, you take. Okay, you just do, dear students. So, if suppose, dear students, xy both are positive, say x is 2, y is 3, you take. X plus y is 5, modulus is 5. Mod x is 2, mod y is 3, so 2 plus 3, 5, equality comes. The problem is, one negative, one positive case, you will get this magnitude gets reduced. Okay, simple observation makes you to do these properties illustration. Just to verify these properties, just give 3 cases. 2 positive numbers, 2 negative numbers, 1 positive, 1 negative number. Okay, 2 positive, 2 negative, 1 positive, 1 negative. You will understand why these properties are becoming. So, dear students, mod x plus y less than or equal to mod x plus mod y, mod x minus y greater than or equal to mod x minus mod y, as well as mod y minus mod x. Now, dear students, most important point, listen to me. It is a wonderful point, superb point to solve certain equations related to modulus. Mod x plus y will be equal to mod x plus mod y. Okay, if xy greater than or equal to 0. That means both xy, both positive or both negative, or of course maybe 0, then this equality holds. Here you will get less than only when xy have opposite sign. This is what I have written. Mod x plus y less than mod x plus mod y only when xy have opposite sign. Let me repeat again. Mod x plus y generally less than or equal to mod x plus mod y. And when will equality hold? If xy both positive or both negative, maybe 0, no problem. Okay. When will you get strictly less than? If they have opposite sign. Okay, right, dear students? Now we shall do some questions here related to modulus related equations inequations and graphs we are going to see, right? Okay, everyone, this is modulus equation. Can anyone help me to solve this equation, dear students? Mod x plus 3 is equal to 5. How to solve this? Come on, please. So, modulus of something 5 means if x plus 3 value is either 5 or minus 5, this equation is fine, correct? Modulus means you write plus or minus 5. So, you take x is minus 3 plus or minus 5. So, that minus 3 plus 5 you will get 2, minus 3 minus 5 you will get minus 8. Clear? 2 minus 8. Clear everyone? Clear dear students, all of you? So, mod x plus 3 is plus or minus 5. This is called modulus equation. So, mod x plus 3 is 5 in the sense you just take x plus 3 can be plus 5 or minus 5. Next one dear students, similarly you try to answer, this is very simple. Modulus related equation means you just take 2x minus 1 value plus or minus 6, because 2x minus 1 is either 6 or minus 6, the equation holds good. So, 2x must be 1 plus or minus 6. That means 2x can be either 7 or minus 5, and hence x value 7 by 2 or minus 5 by 2. There are two possibilities, dear student. Simple, it is very simple, and we will be solving modulus related equations very frequently. Now, inequations, modulus related inequations, dear students. How to do inequations related to modulus? You see everyone? So, mod x minus 3 less than 7, please do observe, less than 7. Array, I want a number whose modulus is between, less than 7. Array, you take any number between minus 7 to 7, you take its modulus, it will be less than 7. So, dear students, if you get modulus less than some positive number, the logic is simply you write minus 7 less than x minus 3 less than 7. This step is important, dear students. If you are able to write this step, because modulus of something less than 7 implies, so minus 7 less than x less than 7. From this you can solve, just add 3, minus 4 less than x less than 10. So, the solution is x belongs to open interval minus 4 to 10. Clear everyone? Clear? Those who are following here say yes or once, text here. Clear everyone? Chalo, text here all of you. Those who are following here, those who are comfortably following, please text here. Yes, come on, quick. Yes. Very good, nice. Thank you, very nice. Right, good. Appreciate. So, those who didn't understand, let me repeat, dear students. Modulus related inequation, if less than is there, modulus of something less than 7 in the sense, you just write minus 7 less than this less than 7. You just inequation add 3, you got x value. If you don't understand, let us take up another question. Modulus of something less than or equal to 5. Come on, chalo, what is the next step? Magnitude less than 5 means minus 5 less than or equal to given x plus 2 less than or equal to 5. That is a point. So, subtract 2, dear students, minus 7 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Since equality is there, closed interval minus 7 to 3, x belongs to. Am I correct? Right everyone? Here less than or equal to is there, so equality should be, so you have to put closed interval. Okay, right? Yeah. So, dear students, in this way you can solve modulus related inequations with less than or equal to. You see, in the previous I have seen equations, the next inequations with less than. The next one, dear students, inequations with greater than. You see this here, inequations, array modulus magnitude more than 5 means you just take the number line. If a number is more than 5, modulus will be more than 5. Less than minus 5 also modulus more than 5, correct? In greater than case, dear students, do remember, you have to write like 2x minus 1 either less than minus 5 or 2x minus 1 greater than 5. Listen to me this. Hope you got it. So modulus more than 5 means this 2x minus 1 value either less than minus 5 or more than 5. This implies 2x is less than minus 4 and hence x less than minus 2, or 2x is greater than 6, so x greater than 3. Altogether minus infinity to minus 2 union 3 to infinity. This is the solution, dear students. This is simple. This is very simple, dear students. Modulus is there. If modulus is there, greater than is there in the inequation, what you need to do, dear students? If modulus is there, greater than is there, what we need to do? Some numbers modulus more than 5 means it must be either more than 5 or less than minus 5, and hence I kept it this way. I got the solution. Same kind of thing you try here, dear students. 3x plus 1 modulus greater than or equal to 4 means this must be less than minus 4 or this must be more than 4. Equality is there, so you put equality also, right? So dear students, 3x less than or equal to minus 5, x less than or equal to minus 5 by 3. This is 3x greater than or equal to 3, x greater than or equal to 1, right? So, and hence combination minus infinity to minus 5 by 3 closed, union closed 1 to infinity is the solution. This is the inequation, dear students. So, this is how I've taught you how to solve modulus related inequations. 3 cases, dear student. Case 1, equal to, of course, equation, inequation less than case, inequation greater than case. Am I correct, everyone? Clear? Am I correct, everyone? Yeah. Fine. Chalo. Now, can somebody answer these questions? So, first question, how many of you give the answer, dear students? First question. Yeah. First question. Yeah, why do we get infinity? Means greater than 5 means 5 to infinity only, no? Okay, right. So, first question answer, come on everyone, text, first question answer, come on. First question answer, all of you please text the answer for the first question, come on, quick. Telidu, gurtuledu, marchipayanu. No, answer, come on. Yeah. 3, right, fine, wonderful, but one second bhaiya, one second, you see, mod x is equal to minus 3, array, mod x in the sense, modulus of any real number, generally in the schooling we say, if modulus is there, take out modulus, you write plus or minus, right? This is a common phenomena that we practice in the school, but dear students, you see the meaning of this. If you just see the meaning of this, whenever two modulus related, yes, you are correct, no solution is the right answer. So, yeah, mod x, when negative number is here, be careful. If it is positive number, earlier case is fine. If it is a negative number, dear students, modulus can never be negative number. So, no solution. Okay, no solution. So, you must be careful with whether it is given positive number or negative number. Got it, dear students? How many have enjoyed this particular question? How many of you enjoyed this question? Come on. Yes, I know Telugu, Nobita, Telugu vachu, baga vachu, Teluge vachu. Okay, but let us communicate in English. Kabhi Telugu, kabhi Hindi, mostly English. Okay, because all of you are very much comfortable with English. Let us go in a posh English, okay? Chalo, and my English is simple English so that you can comfortably follow me, right? Okay. Yeah, chalo. Chinese మాట్లాడరా మాట్లాడగలను నీకు అర్థం కాదు కదరా నాన్న ఓకే ఓకే రైట్ fine. So second question answer, please. I want answer for the second question. Come on. Second question, modulus of 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 2. Come on, quick. Second question answer. 2x plus 3 is equal to minus 2. No solution. Wonderful, dear students. Modulus can never be negative. No solution. Superb answer, dear students. Superb answer. There is no solution. So whenever modulus equation, inequation is given, be careful with the number that is given here, whether it is positive or negative or 0. That really makes sense here. So here, dear students, modulus of this, third question answer, please. Third question. Yeah. Ray, there are many students watching, but only a few students have given likes. Why, bhaiya? Not able to follow the class? Likes. Push the video. If you give me energy, I'll give you a lot of stuff related to JEE. Okay? Come on. Okay, right. So, I understood, dear students. Modulus of something less than minus 2 is impossible, no solution. Less than or equal to minus 4 also impossible, no solution. Very good. Now, so modulus is greater than minus 5. Yeah, Bharati, I know, Guntakal, Anantapur district, railway school. Yeah, modulus of something greater than minus 5. Come on, dear students, fifth question, what is the answer? Fifth question, come on. Fifth question. Yes, Srikar, you have given the right answer. Yes. Don't tell so. Yes, I know don't. Yeah. So this is all real numbers, because whatever x you give 2x plus 1 modulus, it will be 0 or positive, which is always greater than a negative number. All real numbers, or I can say minus infinity to infinity, even this question also. So I mean to say, dear students, in the previous slide and this I have taught you how to solve equations and inequations related to modulus, and only one important caution is, dear students, whenever you are given some modulus equation, be careful with the numbers given, whether positive or negative. You see here, previous case here, positive equation and inequation, so we have to do the procedure. If negative is given, S you have to say, because the answer is very simple, either no solution or complete real number set is the solution, right? Now, dear students, let us come to the part. Let us try to sketch the graphs of y is equal to mod x. Yeah, so y is equal to mod x, dear students. You see here, graph is something in math is like the x-ray of the function. If you see the graph, you can talk about many things, especially in calculus part. You can talk about its continuity, differentiability, integrability, many things, what not. So graph is a very important part. Whenever you see a function, we'll try to imagine or sketch the graph of the function. Here also we'll see the graph of y is equal to mod x. Everyone, please listen to me. What is its definition, dear students? You know well, if x value is greater than or equal to 0, it is x. If x value less than 0, it is minus x. So, dear students, to sketch the graph, we need to take x, y axis, let it be x axis, let it be y axis, this is origin. You try to give some values, dear students. If x value is 0, y value is 0. If x is 1, y is 1. If x is 2, y is 2. If x is 7, y is 7. If x is minus 2, y is plus 2. X is minus 3, y is plus 3. Try to plot all these points, dear students. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 7, 7, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 3. If you join all this, you will get a V-shaped graph. Yes, dear students, the graph will be like this one. This is a straight line, part of a straight line, this is a part of a straight line. This is in fact part of the straight line y is equal to x. This is part of the straight line y is equal to minus x, because when negative y is equal to minus x. So dear students, how is the graph of modulus function? Can you say, dear students, everyone? Suppose if somebody asks, or you need to draw the rough graph of y is equal to x, just to remember, y is equal to mod x graph means simple. This V shape is y is equal to mod x, right? This V shape is y is equal to mod x. Correct, dear students? From the graph, those who are having the idea, you can talk about its domain and range also. Okay, V-shaped graph. Domain means the numbers which you can give as input. Array, domain means, you know, the numbers which you can give as input. You can give any number as input in this function. Range means the numbers which you get as output. From the graph, you can see what are the output numbers you are going to get. You will get all real numbers positive and 0. So closed 0 to infinity, dear students. Okay. Okay, dear students. So this is the range. Anyhow, my point here is, what is the graph of y is equal to mod x? It is simple V-shaped graph at 0. Clear, everyone? Clear? Range non-negative reals. Wonderful, Srikar. Wonderful. Yeah. Right. Chalo. Yeah. Can you just draw the graph of y is equal to mod x minus 1? Friends, in this stage, I'll give you a simple way. This is a linear modulus function which becomes 0 at 1, right? Simple, at 1, you draw the V-shaped curve. Simple. Got it? Very simple. I don't want to complicate the things. Easy or not? Tell me, yaar, easy or not? If you say easy, I'll give you shortcuts. Yes, V shape at 1. Okay, easy. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much, Nikhil. Thank you. V shape at 1, right? Thank you very much. And likes. Many students are there in the class, but likes are just 1/3 of it. Why? Oh, that easy. You have wonderful life skills, Satvik. So, yeah, very nice. Thank you. The next, if that is really easy, try to sketch the graph of modulus of 2x minus 3. Come on. Modulus of 2x minus 3. Chalo. Likes, I want likes. Many students didn't like the class. Chalo. Modulus of 2x minus 3 of the same kind of linear expression which becomes 0 at 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. At 3 by 2 you draw the V shape. That is enough. So simple, yaar. Very nice, right? Very nice. Now modulus of 3 minus x. Array, you know modulus of x minus 3. How to draw the graph of modulus of 3 minus x? Come on. Modulus of 3 minus x. Come on. How? Array, modulus of 3 minus x and x minus 3 are the same. Both are same. Got it? Both are same, because in mod x and mod minus x both are the same. Right, dear students? And hence, so simple, at 3 you draw the V shape. Bas. Clear? Very easy. So it is very easy to draw the graph of y is equal to mod x minus a. Both are same here, Anvit. Okay. Right. Fine. Chalo. Now y is equal to minus mod x minus 1. Array, I know the graph of y is equal to mod x minus 1, you know, at 1 V shape. Why this minus? This minus is irritating us really, right? Don't get irritated. If minus is there, to the outputs you have to multiply with minus 1. That means all outputs must be taken negative. So the graph gets reverted like this. This you remove and you write like this. That means, dear students, Simple. Minus of mod x minus 1 means at 1, mod x minus 1 is V shape above. If it is multiplied with minus 1, simply tilt down. If you want, you can give some points and you can do, right, dear students? Clear? Clear, everyone? Fine. So, minus of mod x plus 3, this becomes 0 at minus 3. If this minus is not there, I would have drawn V shape here, but it is minus here, so draw V shape down. Clear? Clear, everyone? Gopal G, Telugu. Desha bhashalandu Telugu lessa. Okay? Right? Yeah. Fine, chalo. Next, arey yaar, this question, can somebody help me? Mod x minus 4. Before that, arey mod x plus 2. Can somebody help me to draw this graph? Y is equal to mod x plus 2. Y is equal to mod x plus 2. Y is equal to mod x plus 2. This is adding plus 2 means, arey mod x means you know this V shape. To every output, you have to add 2, right? If you, for every output, if you have to add 2, at 0, 2, at 1, 3 means this simply shifts by 2 units. Correct? So, you remove this graph and this is the graph. And mod x plus 2 means this for every output you have to add 2. So, just increase by 2, dear students. Okay? Increase by 2. Clear? Right? Suppose y is equal to mod x plus 3 means lift the graph by 3 units, right? Okay? Suppose, dear students, you got the question y is equal to mod x minus 1. What does it mean? For every output mod x, you have to bring down minus 1, right? Likes, we are just a little short of century. Come on. Little short of century. I want likes, bhaiya. Yes. Mod x minus 1 means, yeah, you shift, you have to subtract 1 from each modulus. This is V, decrease this by 1 unit, because at 0 minus 1, right? At 0 minus 1, correct? Thank you very much. So, 2 down batting. First I think physics class, now math class, we could make century here. Very nice, very happy, pretty happy, dear students, right? Fine, but yeah, you see, because y value is not disturbed, mod x is minus 4. So, now let me draw this graph, dear students. Mod x minus 4, you know mod x will be here, minus 4 means bring down 4 units. So, this is minus 4, because at 0 minus 4, dear students, at 0 minus 4. Okay? Okay, clear? Now, arey yaar, this is some combination. Try this superb question. It is mod x minus 2 plus 5. Mod x minus 2 plus 5. Come on. Arey, first try to draw mod x minus 2. First, you know mod x. Mod x minus 2 means at 2 V shape and added 5, lift by 5 units. Here is the graph. Correct. Correct. How simple bhaiya it is. Arey, who told math is difficult? Many people say that arey in JEE math is very tough, very lengthy and all. Come to Sri Chaitanya. We are here to help you to make the math subject very, very easy. Okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay? Right? Very simple. First imagine mod x, then mod x minus 2, then mod x minus 2 plus 5. Okay? Chalo. Right. Dear students, we are short of time. This is a very, very important graph. Yes, integration means not basics, yeah. In bridge classes, no integration. In math, maybe physics sir will be taking. Yeah, Dear students, please listen to me. This is going to help you a lot, dear students. Please listen to me. Sum of two linear modulus, that to x minus 2, x minus 5. I won't take much time. Simple, you take x-axis, y-axis. This becomes 0 at 2. This becomes 0 at 5. Now, very simple, dear students. Very simple. The graph of this, actually you need to write it piecewise. 3 cases, x more than 5, between 2 and 5, less than 2, which becomes yeah, so which becomes 3 cases, but simple way of drawing is, what is f of 2? You see, you put 2 here, this becomes 0, this becomes 3, at 2 it is 3. You put 5 here, that is also 3. Simple. Now join these two. Here you will get this straight line, this straight line. The graph of this will be the top, dear students. The graph of this will be the top. Okay? Okay, right? So simple. If you want, you just write piecewise draw, you will get. Simple. Okay, very simple. You just try this graph, dear students. Yeah, suppose mod x minus 2 plus mod 2x plus 3. Array, this becomes 0 at 2, this becomes 0 at minus 3 by 2. So you just put 2 here, you will get 4 plus 3, 7. Here you will get this, you will get a tub like this. That's all. That's all. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, dear students, the rest of the part are for you. You just final question before I go to, not by, just wait, Patil. Can somebody answer this question? Last question, please. What is the answer? Mod x minus 1 plus mod x plus 1 is 0. How many solutions are there? You tell me. How many solutions are there? Teaching good? Thank you, Bhaiya. How many solutions are there for this? How many? Text, all of you. Come on, text. I want the answer, please. Quick. How many solutions are there for this? All of you, please text. The final point, final question of the class, session 2. Right, dear students? Yeah. No solution. Because this becomes 0 at 1, this becomes 0 at minus 1. If you put 1, this becomes 0 but not this. If you put minus 1, this becomes 0 but not this. You have to find a number which makes both the things 0 simultaneously. There is no such number, no solution, dear students. Okay, fine. The rest of the questions are for you, dear students. So always be non-negative. Do you understand what is non-negative? What is non-negative, dear students? I always, so Babas come and tell you be positive, say that Bhaiya, be non-negative. Okay, be non-negative, right? What is today's formula? Be non-negative, modulus function. Okay, be non-negative, absolute value function. Okay, right? So dear students, and finally the conclusion today which we have done is, I have given what is modulus function, its definition, writing modulus function piecewise, then we've seen how graphs of modulus function, and then solving modulus equations, solving modulus inequations. Right, dear students? That's all for the day, dear students. See you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Catch you tomorrow again with a new topic. Tomorrow's topic will be very wonderful topic, greatest integer function, that is step function, fractional part function. These two related wonderful problems, results I am going to give you, which are going to help you in the entire 2 years of JEE preparation. Whenever greatest integer function you listen to me, you will be recalling my class. Right? Catch you tomorrow. Take care. Bye, dear students. Bye, everyone. See you.